Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a high quality cinematic videos using the Minimax AI. Whether you want a realistic animation, dynamic storytelling, or visually stunning AI generated clips, this guide will help you to get the best result. First, what is Minimax AI? It is a powerful AI tool that allows you to generate cinematic, photorealistic, and creative videos using the simple text prompts. With its advanced rendering engine, you can create realistic animation, artistic visuals, and dynamic sequence with ease. So, step 1, you need to craft a detailed and structured prompt. The quality of your video depends on how you well describe your scene. Use a clear, descriptive, and cinematic language. Then here are the key elements to include your prompts: your scene and settings, character and details, the action and motion, camera angles and effects, and the lighting and atmosphere. You need to choose the right style and theme. The Minimax AI supports various artistic and cinematic styles, and pick one that matches your vision. And here are the popular styles. Examples are the photorealistic, cyberpunk, anime, noir, or 3D animation. Then the step 3 is to adjust the video length and the motion effects. Short clips like 5 to 10 seconds work for the best cinematic shots. Use a smooth transition to make it feel professional and add slow motion or time-lapse effects for a dynamic touch. And then many AI video tools, including the Minimax AI, let you adjust the frame rate, resolution, motion speed, and lighting adjustment. So you need to be specific with prompts, use the camera angles, add depth and emotions, experiment with styles, and use post editing. And that's it. Now you know how to create a stunning videos with Minimax AI. So if you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your suggestions below for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!